Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Inc. To answer the question, who installs gas lines? Plumbers do. The pipes used for plumbing and those used for natural gas in your home are very similar. Skilled plumbers know how to work safely around gas, whether you need repairs or new gas lines installed. When choosing a plumber or other contractor to install or repair gas lines in your home, make sure that they have a license to do this type of work. Permits must also be filed with the appropriate government office, and the gas lines must be inspected by the local inspector to ensure your safety. Gas lines that are incorrectly installed can cause devastating damage to your home. When you get an estimate, your plumber should count the number of gas appliances that will access the gas lines, like your gas water heater, your furnace, gas dryer, stove, fireplaces, etc. This will help them calculate the BTU load. BTU stands for British Thermal Unit and is a measure of the heat content of fuels or energy sources. It represents the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit at the temperature that water has its greatest density, which is approximately 39 degrees Fahrenheit. But enough science. What it means to you is that knowing the BTU load determines the size of the pipe necessary to ensure that any and all of your gas appliances will receive enough gas on demand to function. Your utility company will have set standards for the size of pipe required, based on the number of appliances accessing the gas lines. Beware of a company or service technician who advises you other than what your gas utility company states. When you're ready to add gas to your home or add additional gas lines to your existing gas supply, give us a call. We follow all codes in order to ensure your appliances function properly and you and your home are safe. If you're located in the Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, or Lenoir City area and you'd like a free estimate on adding gas lines to your home, give us a call. We can help. Call 865-583-3957 or you can book online at pipewrench.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive other useful homeowner tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.